Well, if you use a lot of Dewalt products and you already have their battery packs, the Dewalt brushless leaf blower, which uses the FlexVolt 60 volt battery pack, it's a really powerful battery powered leaf blower. Let me show you how great this is. When your battery pack is fully charged, I find that this battery will last me maybe 20-25 minutes, so it's not a huge amount of time, but it is great for driveways and smaller areas. It does get pretty loud, so you are going to probably want to have some earplugs or headphones in to help protect your ears. The nice thing is you have your trigger and then you have this little switch, which once you engage that will allow it to stay on, so you're not constantly clamping down on that trigger the whole time. So it's definitely a great choice for driveways, decks, small properties. It's not going to be your choice for large fall cleanups in large properties at all. You're going to need something with a much more longer duration. But for this sort of application, I got to say, I'm absolutely happy with this. That 60 volts does get the leaves and small branches blown away super easily.